don't believe in the supernatural.
Oh, no, I've seen a thing or two. Death lies before us as we sail to the fountain of youth. Zombies, mermaids, Blackbeard, the pirate all pirates fear. Kill 'em all!
The zombies are Blackbeard's officers. He brings them back to life through his powers. They're really unique, and I can't wait for the audience to see them.
Obviously, in a franchise like this, you need to throw in some really big guns.
Mermaid waters, that be our path.
And mermaids were a huge part of maritime folklore.
The fountain of youth. What is required?
A mermaid, Jack.
I was excited to play a mermaid. It's really interesting for me to work around a character not completely human.
Underwater, the mermaids are in an animal form, and when they rise above the water, they become human.
They eat sailors for breakfast, mermaids.
Marina. Please don't.